pick wisely, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with this one.
Yeah. Hey, you're gonna what?
نهار نشكو ذي خذاخ عروض ينجي موثن إسارة
يجي موثن.
سارة قلت خذا إجن أوتفيت إنش يجي موثن.
So she's gonna pick an outfit for me. I'm gonna pick an outfit for her. Guys, I found her outfit. Sisi, I found your outfit. Alright, so guys, I think Sisi's playing me here. Because this is the stuff that I picked out for her, right? I was actually fair about this. I actually picked her out stuff that she would look nice in, you know? I picked her out a nice little leather skirt, which is green with a little hat, and a cute little jumper. It's cute, it's a cute outfit. Also picked her out this lovely little peachy jumper with this skirt that will go underneath. Now look at what this little kelba picked out for me. It's flipping... Haiwana. Look, she's still looking. Absolute Haiwana. Come, Sisi, come. Sisi, come.
Haven't I picked a proper outfit for you?
I was just saying to the Mutabaeen that you're taking the piss. I actually picked out nice outfits, bro. Why'd you pick me out this?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna wear it. And don't you think that you
Look
can...
how nice my outfit is for you.
Tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you, I don't need to back it up.
Put the hat with the bucket hat.
The bucket hat.
Yeah. Alright.
Wait, it doesn't fit around my head. My head's massive, bro.
Stop it. Wait, go back. We're supposed to come out both.
So why are you slow, bro?
You say it.
Alright, okay.
1, 2, 3.
Maybe we should get this guy to tell us whether it's good or
I
not.
think you should show the people your amazing outfit that I picked for you, so the people can see my outfit that she obviously picked for me.
Listen, I think we're gonna...
I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna
Total.
Alright, okay, so your jumper, picked it because it was peach and because you're a peach. Replace the P with a B and you have a beach. That's why you're wearing that.
Okay, valid.
The skirt, because I wanted to embarrass you a little bit. No, well, I actually think this looks nice. Imagine that with trainers, 100%. I would stay with that.
You would
100%.
this combination.
Yeah.
Alright.
But not with the boots, the trainers. Okay, go.
Alright, let's discuss her amazing outfit that obviously I picked. We have like this very big, like, cardigan kind of ish, very fashion. Jumper. And then it fits like with this taupe kind of color, like bucket hat, and this cute skirt, like has all of these like leather patches.
Right, so excuse me.
Let us know.
Can you choose which outfit looks
Which
better?
outfit do you like better?
Do you mind being in the video or like is it a bit
No, I don't want to be in the
He
You
doesn't
don't
want to be.
okay.
That's fine. Your voice is enough.
We'll change your voice
Into.
I would say that one.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everybody who participated in this show.
We will not be putting that into the video. This is Kelba, she's picking me out fucking skirts that don't fit me because she's trying to tell me that I'm fat. I get it, yeah? Fucking dog. Right guys, look at this little hideousness that she's chosen for me. Okay, I'm gonna put my camera out. It doesn't fit.
Wear it.
Well, my head does not fit.
Wear it on top of this then. Or just, you know what you'll do? Wear it and then change it to the back.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys. This is the outfit.
With this skirt that I initially picked for her, but some people love to eat at Pluk.
You ate a plug as well, you little shit. Right, look at her outfit. She looks sick. You look sick in it. You like it, don't you?
This is my outfit.
Do you like it?
Okay, I like it, but I like this outfit too. And you're not wearing your thingy on your head. This is the outfit that she picked for me.
Right guys, this is the hat.
Look. How nice.
Yeah, I look like I'm going to the library.
Well, maybe you would read once in your life something and you would actually... What?
You have books at home. No, you don't. I'm so sorry, my friend. Can you just quickly pick again, please?
Yeah.
What outfit you think is best?
So
Just
normally
choose
it goes
wisely,
with
yeah?
this skirt for the skinny people. Obviously, there's nobody in here skinny.
But you have
But-
just pick wisely, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with this one.
Yeah.
Thank
You're gonna what?
Thank you so much. Can you tell who is the influencer in here?
Oh my god, I'm shocked. Well, I was gonna buy everything in the shop, but I'm not gonna do that anymore. Oh, I'm so offended. I've got fashion, yeah? Listen, let's ask the 6,000 people who
Which outfit did you guys like the most? Please let us know. Outfit, her outfit or mine, the first ones, or her outfit or mine, the second ones. Yeah, just close the curtains.
So guys, we just got hats. That's it really.
Here at Glyton Studio, and this girl over here is about to be saved because her life does not look good at the moment. Do you want to tell something to your followers?
Greetings friends, I am now getting my hair washed. Hang on, so basically I'm gonna get my roots done because they're basically like vertical. You know what that is. So guys, I'm done. خلصنا من الكوافير. I mean coiffeur. Hairdresser. So basically I had like the worst roots ever. Like it was like orange and stuff like that. But he's managed to sort it out so that it looks like very natural, all of that. So now when people ask me, oh, is your hair naturally blonde? I can say yes. So guys, this is the only reason I come to Amsterdam. It's because of Action, this shop. Oh my god, I'm such a cheapskate, you don't understand. They have such nice stuff, but it's so cheap. I'm gonna show you. Look at this thing, what the hell?
So I found something that's really gonna suit Sarah's house very well.
That's good. Oh, hey guys. So I was just talking to Sisi and I just thought I'd point it out on here as well because it was hilarious, to be honest. So people in Dubai actually ask me if this is my natural hair colour. I want to ask you a similar question. What was your education like? Do I look like Isa alayhi salam to do miracles like this? For my mum to give birth to me with blonde hair, bruv? My prophet. Looks like we're hugging, but we're not. We're on a roundabout. Me and Sisi hate affection.
ما في affezione.
أنا وسيسي نكره حنان.
حنان. الحنانة.
الحنان.
الحنانة.
كل حنان في الدنيا. فكملنا الفلوج.
كملنا الفلوج في امستردام. البنيتة غادي ترجع اليوكي دابا.
نمشي في تيار يلا يوكي.
ومن بعد تمشي من اليوكي تمشي لدبي.
وبعدين اروح.
صافي هادشي اللي كاين.
Headshi Likain. That's like the most Moroccan thing that anyone can ever say.
Stay tuned, subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit double the like. Subscribe, hit like and subscribe.
Okay, bye!
Tell me, do